Good day, social studies students. I'm going to walk you through your next lesson in Cultures and Societies. So once you're on your Google Classroom, you're just going to scroll on down. We're going to pass Lesson 1, Lesson 2, and on to Lesson 3, which is Early Native Americans, Paleo and Archaic. Excuse my voice once again. I hope to get it back soon, but for now, it is what it is. So you'll see two sections to early Native Americans. The first is early people. It does say vocabulary, but there's more than vocabulary in there. There's about 3 sections, and we'll go over that in just a moment. And the next thing is Paleo and Archaic Indians. This is the text portion. So instead of getting a textbook, that whole big Kentucky textbook, I went ahead and scanned those pages that you'll need for this section into your Google Classroom. Once that pops up, you're going to see a little paper clip here. Click that paper clip and it'll pop you into pages 76, I believe. Yep, 76, and you'll head all the way through to page 81. So go ahead and read through that, and then you'll hopefully gain the most important parts of that. We call that the main idea of this nonfiction text. That will totally prepare you to complete today's assignment in Early Native Americans. So let's head on into the assignment itself in the Google form. Remember, your learning target is to explore diverse cultures and societies in early American settlements. And we are studying the early people. And your first lesson, first of 3, is to use the link and your social studies journal to partner up. So you're going to partner up. Each of you must write in your own social studies journal. So what that means is you're going to partner up. You can go ahead and read, take turns reading to understand that social studies text, the link, and make sure that even though you're partnering up, that you have your own interpretation and your partner has his or her own interpretation of what the text says and the question that you're supposed to be answering. So in a nutshell, let's put it in your own words, okay? And then you'll be good to go. So number 2, search each word to hear how it's pronounced. Repeat the word out loud to a partner. So for instance, number 1 says archaeologist. You'll go ahead and search that up or use the Google microphone to go ahead and speak that, to locate the word, listen to how it's pronounced, repeat it to your partner, and then go ahead and pop down to number 3 that says define the following vocabulary words in your own words. So don't do a copy and paste. Of course you know I'll know. So try to translate that into words that you understand and that will help you understand that vocabulary term. So once you've gone through from 1 through 10, then you'll go ahead and check the box that you wrote the definition in your own words each time you complete one, okay? And once you've completed all of that, you'll go ahead and continue to the next section, which is number 2 of 3. Again, early people. And this is important facts. So you're going to answer the following questions on the form. Go ahead and answer each one of those prompts or questions. and continue to the final question, the final section. Section 3 of 3. Early people again, but now you're going to dig deep into the cultures. We're going to do this a little differently. So number 1 tells you to choose the Paleo Indians or the Archaic Indians. And number 2, in your social studies journal, describe the following characteristics of Indian culture. And we'll go ahead, we'll read through those characteristics in just a second. Number 3 says, using your description, draw a picture of what it may have looked like to live as a Paleo or Archaic Indian. So from your description in number 2, then you're going to use that description to draw a picture of what it may have looked like. So infuse all those different cultures into your picture. And number 4, check off each characteristic after you describe it. So number 1, the location. Where did they live? So go ahead and research that. And then check off that you described it after you write a summary in your social studies journal. You'll do the same thing for climate, food, tools, clothes, and art. And once you've described all of these things, that's when you're going to draw that picture and make sure you include the location, the climate, the food, tools, clothes, and art in your drawing. So check off each box after you're done with that. Once you're completed with this, success for you because you have completed lesson 3 in Cultures and Societies. Have a good time with it, guys, and buddy up with a good buddy that's just right for you. Once you've asked your buddy about something that you're stuck on, if you feel that you're still stuck, then go ahead and ask another buddy group. If you're still stuck, then come see Mrs. Putnam. Have fun, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.